soy madero.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I told you guys that I was gonna be installing the electric water pump on the Toyota today. So this is what we have. I have a bracket already made, and I have to make another bracket over here where I am going to mount it on the chassis. 2 brackets. This is in, this is out. The bottom on the radiator goes in the inlet and boosts water out into the engine, into the rotary on the right side, and then back into the radiator. Okay, Carlos, I need you to measure, to make the hole on the other bracket. I don't speak Spanish, English, please. Where's the other bracket? The results of the burnout on the street. We got the Mustang that did the burnout. This is how we left the road. GT Mustang. My 3rd gen. Kwaku Paletas 1st gen. Brolo SS. Martin Toyota. I don't have the marker.
¿Y tú lo tienes en el marcador? ¿Lo tienes ahí?
Perfect.
Don Víctor que se pone maniático. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? ¿Cómo así yo soldo?
Take the pump out.
Agárralo de allá para acá. Agárralo de allá para acá que está caminando ahí. Hay palabras más funny en español que en inglés. Y dime que es mentira.
I don't speak Spanish.
Estamos gozando. ¿Ves como tú dices estamos gozando en inglés?
We're having a good time. Two mounts are welded, done, nice and solid. Now Carlos gonna do the fittings, the hoses. He doesn't have the 90 for that side, but he has the straight one for this side, but he'll do that later. Otra vez te viene again, this guy. He doesn't leave me alone. Why you keep following me, man? What are you doing here? Anuel AA. Oh my God, can't work in peace. This guy's always showing up. No, I already did the work. Look what time it is. You're late. You're late. You're late. Now Carlos wants me to change the clutch on this because in New Year's he went racing and this clutch the clutch. Now we gotta change the clutch on this. We gotta bring the transmission down just to change the clutch out, and then tonight we're going to a car meet. First you loosen up the clutch cylinder that's connected on the transmission. Then loosen up the bolt in the transmission that's connected to the engine. Now we loosen up the 4 bolts that holds the drive shaft to the rear end. And we have 2 mounts here, 2 bolts. And then take the starter down, holds the starter, goes through the transmission, bolts into the engine, and just loosen up these bolts and this transmission will come down. Drive shaft is loose, hanging. Taking the bolt that holds the starter.
Con cuidado que estarte, no había que caer en la cara de uno. Cuidado, jefecito. Acá.
Less than 10 minutes. Transmission down. Look who decided to show up again already when we got the transmission down. He said he was gonna come back on time to help us bring the transmission down, but he's late, always late. So what's bad is on the disc is the pressure plate, not the clutch. So he's swapping it out with a different pressure plate. What happened to this CRX?
Pues la vendí porque
English. I don't understand.
I don't sell it because
You sell what?
I don't sell my CRX because
Why?
I needed a
You went and buy a Toyota.
no.
Yeah, you went and buy. That's your Toyota
I
now.
don't got air condition. I don't got anything like that, so I needed a used daily car, you know, for my family, for me. So I got my EG. I got my EG, you know, for running, 300 horsepower.
No.
Tiene la transmisión. Yo siempre todo bien, que bueno, gracias a papá Dios. Carlos, no puede ser que si pega aquí. Sí, estoy grabando. ¿Qué quieres que te grabe a ti?
Déjame meterla aquí primero, viste, después subo acá. Sí.
A ver, a asegurarlo aquí.
Que por ahí está el fijo y todo ya.
Si está heavy, yo bajo mañana.
20 minutes. In and out. Done. Clutch in. Transmission back in. Louis is putting the little shift knob.
I don't do anything, but I see everything.
Anuel AA didn't do nothing. Then we're gonna wash the cars, because tonight we're going to a car meet in town. Just to chill, hang out with the boys. Oski, hurry up and get the gas. Hey. Woo, woo. Now we gotta wait for him. We gotta wait for him to bring the gas, because this car has no gas. We ran out of gas with the two-step and the burnout. 2 hours later, he shows up with the gas.
Imposible.
Where are you going? Are you gonna work on your Toyota now?
Yeah, I'm changing the palanca.
You changing the what?
The chip.
The shift knob?
Yeah.
You gonna shift the shift knob? So when a Honda driver gets in a rotary. Ríete. ¿Ah? ¿How's it feel, huh? We're all done with the cars. Now we're gonna go wash the cars because we're gonna go to a car meet. You going, Luis? ¿Vas a ir?
No sé todavía.
We're all gonna go to the car meet.
Yo soy toyotero.
A little bit of love goes a long way. Give it that shine on the tires. Make it shiny. 25 minutes. 25 minutes waiting. I'm already falling asleep. Where were you?
Orlando.
Vamos por Orlando, no vamos por
Ah.
Oh, yeah? I got it.
Luis, yo no quería montar con mamá, ¿viste?
Sí, ya lo sé.
¿Llevas cuántas ya?
Time for a new tire on Louis' bike. Too many burnout.
Pero esa no fue la que nosotros montamos la última.
Diablo, que mira eso.
Agarra, cabrón.
What for me, man?
Dos tiros.
El mismo se lo dio esa.
They're close to the gas and everything's so close. I think the thing is my ass is wider than the seat. It's not bad.
El aplicativo mío lo voy a hacer así y a intento de hacer un video de pasado por el poquito página.
Pero los tíos te tienen excitado, ¿viste?
Tail lights. Piston.
Cuando me levanto a la vez me veo.
Went to Sonic and ordered the whole menu. The whole menu. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Let's see if Oscar can turn on the Panda. He has a problem. A Honda guy tried to turn on a rotary. Turn it on, Oscar.
Pero el Panda tiene wiper.
Turn it on.
Mira. No le pongas seguro a la puerta.
A la de allá, a esta no.
A esa va abierta ahí.
Esa la deja abierta y lo...
Cabrón, con esa tensión no voy a poder prenderlo.
Turn on. Turn it on.
Chico, pero es que...
¡Eh!
Lo voy a apagar, lo voy a prender otra vez.